Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway. I'm giving away hundreds of gift cards to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Brand new video today to show you some Mech Arena promo codes working in 2025. These are going to get you free A coins in Mech Arena. You can also get free credits and free keys using simple promo codes that you can redeem right now in Mech Arena. And this is going to save you a bunch of money because the in-app purchases are pretty expensive. I'm sure you're aware the price of A coins in Mech Arena. So this is awesome to get you those for completely free. So I spent hours searching for promo codes, and I'm going to show you in this video the best ones that I discovered. So you need to use your mobile phone. Doesn't matter which phone you have. I'm on an iPhone, as you can see, but it really doesn't matter if you're on Android because it is just a simple promo code that you can grab using the internet. So you've got to go to this website on your phone, www.robotcoupons.com. So spell it like this, guys, robot coupons. This is an awesome coupon code website. I've actually used them for other things. They don't only have Mech Arena promo codes. You can see they have promo codes for tons of different games. So you can actually scroll through here and see what else they have. But go to the search bar here, and it says use the handy search bar and search now. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in Mech Arena, and it should pop up like that, guys. Mech Arena promo codes. So this is the page you need to find. Now there is a few different options. As I mentioned earlier in the video, you can get free A coins in Mech Arena, 25,000 of them. You can get 100,000 free credits. You can get 100 free keys. So these Mech Arena promo codes are limited. So whatever one you choose, so in this case I'm going to choose the free coins one, you will need to unlock your exclusive promo code. Obviously this prevents people from stealing millions of coins. It prevents that, and it allows one code per person. So make sure you choose the code that you want and then tap on unlock code. Now the unlocking process takes a few minutes, but it is pretty easy. I've done this multiple times, like I've said, so it is easy, guys. I'm not the cleverest person in the world. So it says here, code unlocker. It says complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below to unlock your code. Follow the instructions below each of the apps. So you're going to get a list of free tasks. I've only got a few here. You may see more, you may see less. All you've got to do is select any 2 and fully complete them. So this one at the top is a free survey. You can see it's free. It says answer the questions and fill in valid details. So if you choose a survey, all you have to do is answer the quick questions. It doesn't really matter what you answer, but this is very important. You put in your correct and valid email because it does verify you're a real person. If you try and put in false information and skip steps, it basically won't reveal the code because it thinks you're a robot. Anyway, this one at the bottom, install, open and complete level 7. So this is basically a mobile game. You may have seen it. If you've not played this game, you can do it. If you have, then you can have to choose a different task because you need to download whatever game you choose and play it until whatever it says. So this one says level 7. So if you fully complete 2 tasks and follow the instructions, that's very important. It will redirect you back to Robot Coupons, and whatever code you chose, you click on it and it will have the full code unlocked. So obviously I just skipped forward. But yeah, in this case, if you chose this code, your free A coins in Mech Arena promo code will be fully revealed and you can redeem it in-game. And that is the easiest method to get free A coins, free credits and free keys in Mech Arena. So these are probably the best Mech Arena promo codes. If you have any others, feel free to drop them down in the comments. Let's create a community of Mech Arena players and we can all share our top tips. So enjoy, smash the like button. You just got to go to Robot Coupons, guys, and find this page and enjoy. So I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.